Dear students, in the last section we have seen what is software engineering and program versus software. Today we will see what is software process. Software process is the way in which we produce the software. So this software process differs from organization to organizations. Means the software process is different for different organizations. If the organization wants to survive in this competition, business competition, then it is not only required to hire the smart and knowledgeable developers, but it is also necessary to use the effective software development process, so that developers can use that software development process for their projects. So many of the organization uses the software process as the way to improve the quality, productivity and predictability of the software development. There are various success stories of the organizations that have improved their software process and they have improved their quality of the software. But there are certain stories also there where the software process is not improved. So there are certain reasons. We will see that reasons. First reason is not enough time. Because of the unrealistic schedules, nobody is having the time to sit together. No software groups are sit together to discuss the failure of the previous projects. Customers and senior managers are demanding more software in limited time. Second reason is lack of knowledge. The developer is having a knowledge of the development process. He or she is having a knowledge of languages, but the developers do not have the knowledge of software process. So that is why they do not focus on the quality software process. Third reason is wrong motivations. Some organizations launch process improvement initiative for the wrong reasons. Maybe an external entity or the contractor or the customer demand that organization should achieve the CMM level X by date. So that is the external force, and because of that the organization is achieving the CMM level. So that is the wrong motivation. So fourth is insufficient commitment. Many times software process improvement fails because of the insufficient commitment. Management sets no expectation from the development community. They devote the insufficient resources. They develop no roadmap, pilot no new processes, and there is no improvement plans by the management. So that is the insufficient commitment of the management. Thank you.